Hello children. Today let's learn how to write the alphabet K. For this you will require your English copy, pencil and an eraser. Okay, now get your things and be ready. Now we will write K in the 3 lines. Okay, now can you see the lines here? Okay. We start from the 3rd line, we go up again, we go up, touch the red line, make a loop, come down to the 3rd line, go up again to the 2nd line, make a small circle in between, come down in a slanting line and a kick. Now don't worry, I will teach you again. It is not too difficult. Just see here. Now hold your pencil again. Now again we start from the 3rd line, go up, touch the red line, make a loop, come down straight to the 3rd line, again go up, make a small circle, come down in a slanting line and a kick. Now did you understand? Okay. Now we will practice some picture reading with the alphabet K. K says K, K, kennel, K, kangaroo, K, key, K, karate, K, kettle, K, king, K, kiss, K, kitten. So, did you understand? So we will practice, and if you practice more, you will become perfect. Okay then? Bye.